Please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us out. And of course, if you have any questions, comment below and we will answer you as soon as we can. Welcome to IGCSE Physics. In this lesson, we'll explore forces, what they are, how they act, and why they're behind every push, pull, and motion in our world. A force is simply a push or pull acting on an object. It can cause motion, stop it, or change its direction. Let's look at some common types of forces you'll need to know. Firstly, gravitational force. Secondly, frictional force. Thirdly, tension. Next, normal contact force. Lastly, air resistance. Gravitational force pulls objects toward massive bodies like Earth. Friction resists motion between surfaces. Tension acts through ropes or strings. Normal force pushes upward from surfaces. Air resistance opposes motion through air, just ask any skydiver. Now, let's review Newton's laws. Newton's first law: an object stays at rest or moves in a straight line at constant speed unless a force acts on it. If there's no net force, there's no change in motion. Newton's second law tells us how motion changes when a force is applied. Force equals mass times acceleration. A larger force causes more acceleration. A heavier mass needs more force to move. For example, if the mass equals 2 kilograms, and the acceleration equals 3 meters per second squared. This means the force equals 2 times 3, which equals 6 Newton. Newton's third law: for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. For example, a swimmer pushes water back and therefore moves forward. A ball hits a wall, and then bounces back. When multiple forces act on an object, we calculate the resultant force, the vector sum of all forces. For example, if a box gets pushed with 10 newtons from the right, and 4 newtons from the left, the resultant force is 6 newtons from the right. If forces are balanced, the object stays still or moves steadily. If unbalanced, it accelerates. Friction is a force that opposes motion. It generates heat and slows things down. But we can reduce it using lubricants, smooth surfaces, or even wheels. For example, oil in engines, ice rinks, and ball bearings in machinery. So, let's wrap up. Forces can change motion. Newton's laws explain how forces work. Force equals mass times acceleration helps calculate how forces cause acceleration. Resultant force tells us the net effect. Friction resists motion, but we can reduce it. Thanks for watching. Keep revising and stay curious. Physics is everywhere. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share. And comment below so we can clarify things for you.